If you want to get best travel bags according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Amazon Basics Travel Bag. The Amazon Basics Travel Bag is a great option for those looking for an affordable and practical travel bag. This bag is made of durable, lightweight polyester material that can withstand the wear and tear of travel. It features multiple compartments, including a large main compartment, 2 front zippered pockets, and 2 side pockets. The main compartment can hold a significant amount of clothes and personal items, while the front pockets provide easy access to essential items such as a passport, phone, and wallet. The bag also features a detachable and adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable carrying, as well as 2 handles for easy lifting. The side pockets are particularly useful for carrying water bottles or other small items. Additionally, the bag's compact size makes it perfect for carry-on luggage on most airlines, so you don't have to worry about checking in your bag and waiting at baggage claim. One minor downside of the bag is that it doesn't have any padding, so you need to be careful when packing delicate items such as electronics or glassware. However, this is a common issue with most budget travel bags, and the overall value of the Amazon Basics Travel Bag makes up for this small inconvenience. Overall, the Amazon Basics Travel Bag is a great option for budget-conscious travelers who want a reliable and practical bag for their travels. Its sturdy construction, multiple compartments, and comfortable carrying options make it a great investment for anyone who wants a no-fuss, versatile travel bag. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Travelers Club Travel Bag. The Travelers Club Travel Bag is a stylish and functional option for those in need of a travel bag. Made of durable polyester, this bag features a spacious main compartment, as well as multiple zippered pockets on the exterior for easy access to essential items. The bag also has a detachable and adjustable shoulder strap, as well as 2 handles for easy carrying. One of the most notable features of this bag is its expandable design, which allows you to increase the bag's capacity by up to 25% when needed. This is particularly useful if you tend to overpack or if you need extra space for souvenirs or other items you pick up during your travels. The bag also has 2 additional pockets on the side, which are perfect for carrying water bottles or other small items. One minor downside of this bag is that the zippers can be a bit flimsy and prone to breaking over time. However, this is a relatively minor issue, and the overall quality of the bag makes it a worthwhile investment. Overall, the Travelers Club Travel Bag is a great choice for those who want a versatile and stylish travel bag that can expand to meet their needs. Its spacious interior, multiple pockets, and comfortable carrying options make it a great choice for both short and long trips. While it may not be the most durable bag on the market, its expandable design and overall quality make it a great investment for any traveler. The number 3 position is held by Travelpro Travel Bag. The Travelpro Travel Bag is a top-of-the-line option for those who prioritize durability and functionality in their travel bag. Made of high-quality nylon fabric with a DuraGuard coating, this bag is built to withstand the wear and tear of travel. It features a spacious main compartment, as well as multiple exterior pockets for easy access to essential items. One of the most notable features of this bag is its patented Power Scope extension handle, which minimizes wobbling and provides a comfortable grip for smooth, easy maneuvering. The bag also has 4 double spinner wheels that rotate 360 degrees, allowing for effortless rolling in any direction. The interior of the bag is lined with H2O guard to protect against spills and stains, and it also features adjustable compression straps to keep your belongings in place during travel. Additionally, the bag comes with a built-in USB port and a dedicated pocket for a power bank, allowing you to charge your devices on the go. While the Travelpro Travel Bag is a bit pricier than some other options on the market, its durability, functionality, and thoughtful design features make it a worthwhile investment for frequent travelers who want a high-quality bag that will last for years. Overall, the Travelpro Travel Bag is an excellent choice for those who prioritize durability, functionality, and thoughtful design in their travel bag. Its high-quality construction, patented handle, and easy rolling spinner wheels make it a top-performing bag that is well worth the investment for frequent travelers. Next at number 4, we have Carhart Travel Kit. The Carhart Travel Kit is a sturdy and practical option for those looking for a compact travel bag to store their toiletries and personal care items. Made of durable polyester with a water-repellent finish, this kit features a spacious main compartment, as well as multiple interior and exterior pockets for easy organization. One of the most notable features of this kit is its rugged design, which is both stylish and functional. The exterior is lined with a heavy-duty YKK zipper and features a sturdy handle for easy carrying. The interior is lined with a water-resistant coating that can easily be wiped clean, making it perfect for storing toiletries and other items that may leak or spill. The Carhart Travel Kit is also a great value for its price, offering ample storage space and durable construction at an affordable price point. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of some higher-end travel bags, its practical design and sturdy construction make it a great investment for anyone in need of a reliable and durable travel kit. One potential downside of the Carhart Travel Kit is that it is relatively small, so it may not be suitable for those who need to store larger items such as hairdryers or styling tools. However, for most travelers, the kit provides ample space for all the essentials, making it a great choice for short trips or weekend getaways. Overall, the Carhart Travel Kit is a great choice for anyone in need of a durable and practical travel bag to store their toiletries and personal care items. Its rugged design, ample storage space, and affordable price point make it a worthwhile investment for any traveler. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Fit Plus Fresh Travel Bag. The Fit Plus Fresh Travel Bag is a versatile and stylish option for those in need of a travel bag to store their meals and snacks while on the go. Made of durable polyester with a PEVA-lined interior, this bag features a spacious main compartment, as well as multiple interior and exterior pockets for easy organization. One of the most notable features of this bag is its insulated design, which keeps your food and drinks at the desired temperature for hours. The bag also comes with 2 reusable ice packs, making it easy to keep your food fresh and cool during travel. Additionally, the bag features a removable, adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable carrying, as well as 2 handles for easy lifting. The Fit Plus Fresh Travel Bag is also a great value for its price, offering ample storage space and insulated construction at an affordable price point. While it may not be suitable for those who need to store larger items such as laptops or clothing, its practical design and sturdy construction make it a great investment for anyone in need of a reliable and durable food storage bag. One potential downside of the Fit Plus Fresh Travel Bag is that it is relatively small, so it may not be suitable for those who need to store multiple meals or snacks for an extended period of time. However, for most travelers, the bag provides ample space for a day's worth of food and drinks, making it a great choice for short trips or daily commutes. Overall, the Fit Plus Fresh Travel Bag is a great choice for anyone in need of a durable and practical bag to store their meals and snacks while on the go. Its insulated design, ample storage space, and affordable price point make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who wants to keep their food fresh and accessible during travel. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.